Hey guys, so in this video we're going to break down the overall market. I want y'all's comments below on where you think the overall market is headed, but I want to show you something real quick. Jacob just got through eating breakfast. Jacob, say hello to everybody. And how messy you are. How messy are you? How messy are you? Can you see yourself? Can you see? Say hello. Wave to him. Say hi. Hiya. Alright, so let's hop into the computer and I'm going to show you the overall market and where I kind of see that it's headed. But also the main reason for this video, I'm going to break down the futures later on tonight. The main thing in this video is I want you to kind of tell me your thoughts on where you think the overall market is headed. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, March the 10th. Where do you think the market is headed in the next week or two? And how far do you think this sell-off will be? Are you still bullish with the market? Or are you now kind of turning bearish and you think it's going to start selling off back towards that 200? So leave me a comment down there in this video. Let me know where you think the overall market is headed. And this is going to be the March 10th /ES. You know, we've had pretty significantly, you know, where these things bounced and resistance levels, it got rejected very quickly. And here, you know, when we've climbed up here, it's kind of rounded. So we've kind of hit it a couple times versus a straight up rejection. So do you think that makes a difference? And whenever it does sell back off, do you think it's going to bounce and continue to be like a bull market? We know the jobs growth and the overall economy is doing very well. You know, since we're doing, Trump's been doing, you know, trade agreements. Canada and Mexico just got done. He's working with China. It's going to stop our trade deficit. It's going to bring more money back in the country. Where do you think the overall market is going to head in the next month? So I want you to let me know in comments your thoughts on that. And then, like I said yesterday in yesterday's video, after 5 p.m. today, the futures will open. I really don't know if we'll be home, but I will be doing a video sometime tonight on the futures. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of show you this overall market analysis, where the resistance level is, and let you comment below on your thoughts of the overall market. So my name's Ryan. I do the stock market videos. My wife Sam does affiliate marketing videos. We have 2 companies we work with affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money from home, there's a couple different ways you can do it with us. However you choose you want to do it. With the stock market is anytime you put actual money into the market, you have risk associated with it versus affiliate marketing. If you kind of learn the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and setting up capture pages and those kinds of things, you're not got a whole lot of risk there. So you just have to build up some knowledge base. So either way, if you want to subscribe to our channel and get more videos like this and affiliate marketing from Sam, we would invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be alerted anytime we do release a new video. And yeah, so we just want to build our our community here on YouTube, be able to interact with people here on the YouTube community. And so just join us, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.